So tonight's video is on a game of shitfuckery, and I actually got to play today. So I'm helping a mate out, and he's building a little house, and so some chap from Workcover turns up, and he's like looking around, and I explained to him that, like, yeah, I'm not insured with your company or anything like that, so yeah, I've got really nothing to do with your company. And he took that well. And then he was asking about my scaffold. He goes like, whose scaffold's that? And I go, well, that's my scaffold. And he goes, oh yeah, I wouldn't mind sort of getting half of that down. I go, oh yeah, I suppose I could take half of that down today. And I go, yeah. I sort of make, he was asking about the facilities on site, and I said to him, I go, yeah, I make legal determinations in regard to my safety, so that's fine. But I'm happy if you want to make a few recommendations. And he goes, yeah, fine. And then he goes, so like, what's the owner's phone number? I go, well, yeah, that's over there on that particular board over there. So his name and his phone number's over there. And he goes, well, what's your name? And I go, oh, just Riley. And he goes, oh, what's your surname? I go, no, I go, just Riley's fine. And then he got a bit antsy, and he goes, well, I can compel you to give me your name. I go, oh, really? And he goes, well, I've got the act in the car. I go, ah. You want to play a game of shitfuckery, do you? I go, I'm up for this. I go, well, you go get your act, and you read out what you want to read out from your act, and I go, I'll give you a bit of a spray in regard to rights. And I go, you might find a right is definitely going to trump your act, especially since you don't have a signed instrument that you can rely on with me. I go, and just keep in mind that you're actually on private property, you're not within your corporation, you're on our corporation. And so anyway, he didn't go and get his act. He goes, do you want a summons? And clearly he didn't watch my video from the night before in regard to summonses. I go, oh, you want to send me a summons? I go, do you want a notice of refusal and a cease and desist notice? And maybe even a commercial lien? Do you want some of them? He didn't say too much, and I go, well, what I suggest is that we back up the train a little bit, and if you want to play nice, I can play nice. You know, so once again, it comes back to this example of shit talk. They want to use some particular act that has no authority at all whatsoever, and it comes back, oh, so he mentioned, oh, that's right, he mentioned that under the law the owner has a responsibility. I go, oh yeah, that would be called negligence under the law, wouldn't it? So he didn't say anything about that. And yeah, so if you want to back up the truck, I'll go, I'm happy to be nice. If you want to be nice, I'm happy for you to look around and make recommendations. And oh, that's right. And he mentioned about a fine. He goes like, well, no one's going to receive a fine here. I go, I already know that, because we all know the illegitimacy of a commercial fine as well, don't we? So I already know that. And so anyway, he sort of made a few recommendations and went on his way. So that was a bit of a cock swinging exercise there today. But anyway, I suppose you get those little parties. Maybe you thought it was the Mardi Gras that we're all going to, and I wouldn't mind betting that I don't think there's no subpoena coming out either in my corporate fiction legal name. Call me old-fashioned, call me crazy. It's just the way I roll. Have fun with your contracts. I do.